Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily change your homepage in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to right top corner to settings, and here you just want to click on settings, and when you're right here you're gonna see appearance, and then you want to show home button. And you can simply add here custom website. So when I add here youtube.com, yes, and when I would go here, let me show you. This is how you do it, right? Show home button, youtube.com. So this is pretty much how you do it. Thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.